If you want to support my channel, check out my book in the description down below. Hey, what's up, guys? DekeRelaxShacks.com in my disorderly Mad Maxian, is that a word? No, it's not. Backyard where all weird things are built. Speaking of weird, behind me, before we get to this teaser on an A-frame built from my plans that we visited recently, one you can rent. It's amazing. We're editing that video together right now. Behind me, weird individual Alex Eve, StayVocal.com. I wanted to quickly plug that we have some brand new shirts I did the art for in conjunction to team up with his clothing company, Stay Vocal, StayVocal.com. Like I said, these are the tiny house, almost sci-fi, robotic tiny house community shirts that he's working on. That one's kind of a cool color.
Yep, brown.
You're actually wearing a shirt I drew and designed as well. That's another one in the Stay Vocal line.
And there's a third.
We haven't talked about this much. There's a tiny house village shirt. If you look closely, there's all forms of tiny houses in there, from tree houses to tiny houses on wheels, yurts. There's even a scamp-like camper, one of the tab style campers, a two-story tiny house. It's all hidden in there. And some of the houses actually have, doesn't one of them have a face?
Yeah, just in case.
Check them out, StayVocal.com. But that said, this A-frame's amazing. Here's the teaser. Be sure you subscribe and stick around for the full tour. Look at this place. I almost don't want to share where it is because I want to rent a night or two here. I'm filming this for an episode of my YouTube channel, RelaxShacks.com, because this is an A-frame built from my design, my plans, available on RelaxShacks.com. But the locale, let me show you a real quick little teaser before we edit the whole tour together. Unfortunately, I'm going to be in this shot because we're doing it selfie style, but let me show you the surroundings. Who's that little girl in the background? Look at this. We are so close to neighborhoods, but it's so serene, so quiet here. Directly on the Peters River. I want to stay here, go fishing, get the barbecue grill going. Here's the signature roof that flips open on the A-frame, allowing it to become much bigger and utilizing that outdoor space for living as well. And the interior, just so cool. We've been flying our drone here to get some cool glamour shots. This place is amazing. The deck right here, little mini, not chimney, but a micro wood stove, almost one of the old military ones. What a spot. Again, you can rent this on hipcamp.com. You can buy the plans to build this. There's so many of them that have been built around the country on RelaxShacks.com. It helps keep my channel going. Thank you guys so much. And check out my book. Actually, it's somewhere here. It's behind me. Down there. Micro Shelters and Micro Living, my new book, in the description below. This is merely a teaser. I keep looking over there, the lens is there. Merely a teaser for the full tour that is to come. Check this place out, link in the description below. Like I said, it's one of those where I'm on the fence about sharing this at all because it's so unbelievable. What a gem, diamond in the rough here. Look at that. Look at it. Thank you guys for watching as always. Full tour coming up right here on the RelaxShacks.com channel. Thank you for watching as always. Check out my books and other stuff down below. I'd muchly appreciate it. And see ya.